Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the world version and raid settings. This ensures mechanics match 1.21. Once done, secure a patrol or outpost to funnel pillager waves. That gives consistent starts. Next, build a compact trap zone with a 3x3 funnel and water channels leading to a drop. This controls mob flow and prevents strays. Make sure to sow space for a villager trigger and a safe detection block, so waves spawn predictably and your farm activates reliably. Now you position the villager and the raid captain to reliably trigger the event. The villager must be protected and within range, and the captain must be isolated so you control spawn timing. Once those pieces are set, route mobs using water streams or trapdoors into your kill chamber. This manages pace and reduces RNG. Make sure to design the kill area for drops and XP separately, because splitting them prevents loss. Finally, add sorting lines for totems and weapons so you collect everything automatically. Finish by running a controlled trial. Trigger one wave and watch spawns and pathing so you can tweak funnel openings by single blocks. If mobs fail to funnel, check mob cap, light levels, and any nearby beds or villagers that steal spawn. Once comfortable, expand to full raids and tune kill timing for maximum totem and drop yield. If things still go wrong, reposition the villager or move your AFK spot. That usually resolves spawn conflicts and inconsistent raids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.